Module 4 is a really exciting module because this is where the pupils actually get a chance to build and create a prototype and take it out and sort of test it on their target audience. And this is so important because they need to see what their target users actually think of their idea. It's all well and good saying, oh yes, we're going to create this app and it's going to do this and it's going to do that. It's when they actually sit down and have a go at starting to make that a reality that they often encounter some other issues. But it's a really creative part of the process. My top tip for delivering Module 4 is, because it does involve a lot of prototyping, is to really get the pupils to get hands-on with some of the tools they're going to be using quite early on in the course. You don't have to start Module 4 at the beginning of the course, but what you can do, for example, is give the pupils a session on how balsamic works, so at least they can visualise what's going to happen at that point in the process. We got all of our pupils to go onto AppShed and go through and do the London tutorial over a holiday, so that by the time they came back from the holiday, they all knew how to use AppShed. So we didn't have to spend weeks and weeks going through this is how AppShed works. They already knew it, so we could get straight down to the nitty-gritty of actually building their prototype. I'd never done app creation before I started delivering apps for good, and I was thinking, God, if I've got to do coding and HTML and everything else, I'm really going to struggle here. But you don't have to. You can pick, you can choose from a range of software that the course makes available to you. There will be something that is suitable for your skill level. If you want to just work with balsamic and with creating a basic wireframe, that's fine as well. So don't let that put you off. You will find, I guarantee you will find it is a lot easier than you think it's going to be.